And welcome back to my channel. I am Vandana. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication. Today I am going to discuss a subject called as a mathematics on the topic of a relation between a curve fitting and a regression. Introduction to curve fitting and a regression. First, we are going to consider that a curve fitting and then we are going with a regression. Curve fitting and regression are the fundamental statistic technique used to model relationship between the variables. Both methods aims to create a mathematical representation of a data points. Understanding the similarities and differences is crucial for effective data analysis. Definition of a curve fitting. Curve fitting involves a construction curve that best represents the relationship between a set of data points. The goal is to minimize the difference between the observed data points and the curve. Various techniques, including a polynomial and a spinal fitting, can be employed for this purpose. What is the definition of a regression? Regression analysis focused on estimating the relationship among variables. If it often seeks to predict the value of a dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. Common type of regression includes the linear regression, logistic regression, and polynomial regression. Similarities between a curve fitting and a regression. Both techniques aim to provide a mathematical method for a data representation. Then they can utilize similar mathematical forms such as a polynomial functions. Both approaches access the goodness of fit to understand how well the model represents the data. Differences between the curve fitting and a regression. Curve fitting may focus on the best representation of a data without considering underlying relationship. Regression especially aims to analyze and understand the relationship among variables. While curve fitting can be used for any data shapes, regressions typically has a more structural approach. Type of curve fitting. There are various types. Curve fittings include linear, polynomial, and non-linear fittings. Each method has its own strength and is suitable for different types of data patterns. The choice of a fitting techniques impacts the accuracy and interpretability of the model. Type of regression. Regression can be classified into several types, including simple linear regression and multiple regression. Each type caters to different scenarios based on the numbers of predictors involved. Understanding the type of a regression relevant to the data is essential for accurate analysis. Goodness of fit. Goodness of a fit is a critical aspect of both curve and regression analysis. It qualifies how well the model captures the data variability. Common matrices includes a R-shaped, squared, adjusted, and root mean square error RMSE. Application of a curve fitting. Curve fitting is widely used in fields like physics, finance, and biological for modeling complex relationships. It helps in identifying trends and making predictions based on the historical data. The versatility of a curve fitting makes it applicable in various scientific and engineering context. Application of a regression. Regression analysis is crucial in fields such as economical, social science, and health research. It aids in making informed decisions based on the predict modeling of outcomes. The results can enhance the understanding of a relationship guidance, guiding policy and strategic actions. Overfitting is curve fitting. Overfitting occurs when the curve is too closely aligned with the data points, capturing a noise rather than the underlying trends. This can lead to poor performance of on one unseen data. Software tools used for the analysis. Various software tools which exist for the performance curve fitting and regression analysis. Popular tools includes R, Python, like with the libraries like SciPy and Stats models and MATLAB. Generally, we are going with a MATLAB. These tools provides a functionalist for models, fittings, diagnostic, and visualization. Conclusion: curve fitting and regression are interconnected approaches that serves different but complementary purpose. Mastery of these techniques can significantly enhance data analyzing capability. Although understanding of both methods leads to better decision making and product modeling. Thank you everyone.